Hello everyone, and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today we are on a quite a cold, wintry afternoon, and I am going to try an attempt to remove a snapped NC's bolt from the dicky cap. Now you may have watched in another video if you noticed, I should say. Now when I was taking the dicky cap off, one of the bolts seized and snapped. So today we're going to try to get that out properly. So I've got a few tools to do that, but before we get into that, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. If you like and subscribe, really does help see the channel to grow. Now, let's try and get on with getting that bolt out. So, as you can see, there is the bolt right there. It's a little bit of a nub on there. So, let's see if I can get it out. And I've got a special tool now. I recently bought this just for the occasion. Okay. I don't know how well this is going to work, but we can only try. I think that may have got it. I'm going to do a bit more heat just in case. Pull it down again. Okay, so let's give this a shot. I think these 5 grips are crap, but I think I've got it. I definitely need to invest in a better set of 5 grips. And voila, I have it out. Brilliant. It worked. And for only just under 80 quid, you can do it yourself. Brilliant. Well, I really probably cheaply get a mechanic to do it, but hey, it worked. I have it out. Which means I can now bolt on the dicky cap correctly. Proper job. Okay, just going to clean up the area now. Just to get rid of all the crap. Might even get some sandpaper on that. Give that a little cleaning as well. I think that's good. I think that's good to go. Right, I'm using sandpaper quickly and give that a little sanding. Yeah, you're going to give this shaft a little sandpaper. Try to clean that up a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want of the clean from rust when I slide next on them. It doesn't want to get stuck. Perfect. I'm going to get a cloth and give that a wipe. Okay, give the shaft a wipe. It's better. I said I'm not going for perfectionism, I'm simply going just to make it look nice. Now, what way around does that go? See, it doesn't really sit on that well that way, but that way it does. But then it also, I think, it's in there. Nice. Yeah, I think it's meant to go on that round. Yeah, I'm putting it on that way. That can then go on. What round does that go? Yeah, it should go in there somewhere. Yep, perfect. That's on it. And then we can flip this around and down. And hopefully screw it in. So let me get my toolkit here. I think I should go for what size? It's quite a big one, isn't it? Big hole. I'm going to go for a pH2. And I think that is perfect. Yep, screwing down. Getting that one screwing down. Maybe. Now it's going. Here you go. And last but not least, after you think it hasn't been put in yet. Okay, and the last one, but before doing it, I'm just going to shoot some lube down there. So hopefully next time it's not as hard to get off. Once it's gone through the first stage, it should hopefully screw down. I can easily get this. Let's see if that actually goes. Oh, there we go. It's dropped down, but when it's through. Yes, it is. It's screwing in. Perfect. Still not confident about that one though. Making it feel like it wants to stop spinning. I think I'll leave all that row alone. It shouldn't get in too many problems, hopefully not. If it does, I can always put I can always tap it through and put an actual bolt on it. Bolt and nut. Worst comes to worst, but I think that should be okay. So that's good. Managed to get a ruined bolt out and put the cap on correctly. Perfect. Still can't start the engine though until we get the hydraulic line done. But so I hope you enjoyed watching that video. It's quite interesting. I think a bit of blowtorch action, you know. First time I've ever used a blowtorch on the car, so and it actually went pretty well. Now, I could with the boat, I could try putting a die. Is it die or shake? I can't remember now, but I've got a tap and die, or is it a tap maybe? I think it's a tap. Anyway, yeah, I'd rather tap and die. So I could try tapping it or dyeing it, whatever the correct one is. But I think I might just leave it for now, possibly, and see maybe do it a different day. Nothing too bad, obviously. The car's not going anywhere, so like I said, worst comes to worst, I can always put a nut and bolt through it if that doesn't work, or even a bigger nut. So for now, this can be it for this part of the video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. As if you like and subscribe, really does help to see this channel grow. Once again, if you get on the drive, and I'll see you in my next video.